Dear aspiring affiliate marketer, my name is Igor Kafetz and I make a full-time income with affiliate marketing. In fact, I'm a super affiliate. This means I can make as much as $13,777.12 in commissions in a single day. I promote all sorts of affiliate programs and I tend to do very, very well when I promote them. For example, here's a promo I ran that made me the top 1%, ranking the second on the entire affiliate network after just one promotion. Sometimes I promote private off-network affiliate programs like this one where I made $24,283 in sales. Other times I promote software products that pay a nice recurring commission, like here where I'm earning about $1,100 in commissions in a recurring fashion from 76 sales and trials that I referred for a total of $8.6 thousand in revenue. And here's another one that's paying me month in and month out. Every month, basically, I get $1,000 passively. I even won a few affiliate awards for being the fastest affiliate to reach six figures in commissions for an affiliate program. And the keyword here is fastest. I admit, I'm not the richest super affiliate in the world, and I don't own a Lamborghini. I don't live in a mansion, and I live a pretty simple life with my wife Anastasia, my son Chris, and my older daughter Erica. But I do well with affiliate marketing because I tend to make as much as $1.1 thousand in commissions and all the way up to $9.2 thousand in commissions in one day. Thanks for being able to go from standing start to six figures with affiliate marketing so quickly. Virtually anytime I promote a new affiliate program, I'm able to afford a pretty amazing lifestyle for someone my age. I was already able to visit most European countries and fly pretty much all over the world wherever I wanted to go. I was able to drive fast cars like Ferraris, fly a private plane. That was actually a gift from friends. Spoke at seminars all over the world, and just get to spend a lot of time doing exactly what I want to do and not something that other people tell me to do. I also have a thing for guy stuff. For example, I love driving fast, so I own a Porsche, and I also took a Porsche around the track on the Nürburgring, one of the most dangerous tracks in the world. I shot from the minigun from the Terminator 2 movie. I do buggy rides in the desert. I even drove a tank over a car. Again, that was also a gift from a really good friend of mine, and it was really, really fun. One of the funnest things I've done, to be honest. I'm sorry if this seems like I'm bragging to you right now, but the internet is crammed to the rafters with scammers, and I would want you to see and understand that I walk the talk. Because by the end of this video, I will make you an offer to coach you to make your first affiliate sale, just like I have to these people before you. For example, Mike here made his first $296.12 day, and Cindy made $183.11 in commissions in a single day, and David started making affiliate sales pretty much right away. So if you would like to know how to make your first affiliate sale fast, just like my students, this is going to be the most important video you'll watch all year. Because every affiliate marketer knows that the first sale is the hardest. In fact, it took me 42 months, and that's 3.5 years, to earn my first affiliate commission check of just $124.37. At the time, I got sucked into a whirlpool of useful but incomplete information I picked up from YouTube videos, articles, and webinars that I was attending. I was desperate for any clue that would help me make my first affiliate sale. But before I would get that first cha-ching email, I had a long road paved with failures ahead of me. Almost every so-called fast and easy method was anything but fast and anything but easy. You see, I started out when Facebook was becoming the go-to social network, and at the time I was in the Air Force, so I had limited time and limited resources to start a business. Plus, I was broke. That's why affiliate marketing made most sense to me, because I could start with a small investment of time and money and scale using my profits. That's what all those fake experts told me I could do anyway. My strategy was to grab an affiliate link and post this bad boy all over my Facebook. Then I went out and started adding a bunch of friends who weren't actually my friends and posting my link on their wall. Then I'd sit there refreshing my ClickBank account page for hours, hoping that those commission bars would start growing. But they didn't. This is the part when self-doubt started creeping in, and I started asking myself, does social media really work? Is Facebook the best place to advertise my affiliate links? Maybe the social media strategy is sound, and it's me who's the problem. What am I doing wrong? Why isn't it working for me? The most frustrating part about being an affiliate marketer is the not knowing. Not knowing if you're doing it right or wrong, not knowing if you should stop or persist, not knowing if you selected the right product to promote, not knowing if you picked the right traffic strategy, not knowing if there's a better way you don't know about, not knowing who to trust. I stuck to my social media marketing tactics for a little while longer until Facebook caught up with me and put me in Facebook jail for sending out too many friend requests at a time. To get around that, I created additional Facebook accounts, and at one point, to save time, I even automated the friend requesting using a script I bought on a Black Hat forum. But it didn't help. My affiliate earnings were firmly set at zero. You should know something about me. I may not be the sharpest knife in the kitchen, but I'm not a quitter. I stuck to social media marketing for months. I even got a part-time security job at a local chemical production facility overnight to buy social media software and tools. I gave it my best shot, and I had nothing to show for it. At the time, I was still living with my parents in this little apartment. Right there, that window was the bedroom window where I started my affiliate business. To the right, that was my grandmother's room, and to the left, that was our living room. And yes, that's not a prison. That's an actual condo building in Israel, right? I mean, you can tell how poor we were. One evening, my dad walked into my room and asked with a smirk, "So, how's that business of yours is doing? Made any real money yet?" Look, I love my dad, but that moment I wanted to punch him in the throat and watch him choke because he was the biggest naysayer since I started my affiliate marketing business. He never missed an opportunity to take a stab at my failures. He wasn't a bad dad or anything, he just didn't get it. How can you make money from something that isn't tangible? Something you can smell, something you can touch? This is only to be expected from a tank mechanic, I guess. Sometimes I feel I would have quit affiliate marketing if it wasn't for my dad, because what kept me going, in spite of all the failures, was the need to prove him wrong. Remember I told you I was a soldier in the Air Force? Well, that was my dad's idea, because my dad is a retired Red Army major. That evening, when he took another stab at me, I said nothing. I didn't even turn to look him in the eye. I pretended to be busy by leaning into my computer screen as if I was reading something really important, and I hope he gets the message and walks out of my room. He sat in my bed for a few minutes in silence. Then he got up and left, slamming the bedroom door behind him. I skipped dinner that night. I was too ashamed to show my face in the kitchen. I stayed in my room and played Call of Duty Modern Warfare to take my mind off what happened. I waited until everyone was asleep in their rooms, sneaked into the kitchen to grab a bite, and slid back into my room. I stayed up all night looking for clues about how super affiliates make so much damn money. I swore I had to find that one method that works for everyone, even someone like me, who doesn't have a lot of money to invest, who is really bad at marketing and selling, who can only afford to put in about an hour or two in the evenings, who doesn't know how to build websites, and who weren't blessed with Hemingway-like writing talent. I didn't find what I was looking for that night, so I stayed up the next night looking, and the night after that, and the one after that one too. I stayed up all nights for months, researching and testing different methods. Since I didn't know any real super affiliates, the only way I could find that one bulletproof method was to actually try everything until I found what works. It wasn't about time or money for me at that point. It was about proving him wrong. Do you now see and understand why it took me 3.5 years, 42 months to earn my first commission check? Because it took me 3.5 years to try every single method out there. And here's what did not work for me. Article marketing. Here's how it works. You write 300 to 500 word articles around specific keywords in your niche and post them to article directories and content sites. I wrote 2,000 words per day for several months, trying to rank for long-tail keywords. My articles received a few dozen views, but never made any sales. 2. Blogging. Here's how it works. It's similar to article marketing, but you post articles to your own blog instead of article directories and make it personal by sharing stuff about yourself to build a relationship with your readers. This method entailed more keyword research and more writing. I woke up at 5 a.m. every morning and gave birth to an 800-word blog post. Then in the evening, I uploaded it on my WordPress blog. Then I optimized the post using SEO plugins, and I even purchased a cutting-edge theme that was certain to increase readership. I put 8 months of daily work into this baby, but it didn't generate much income aside from a couple of really small affiliate sales for an MLM software. I also invested thousands of dollars into premium plugins, themes, designers, and other optimization tools that any blog needs to rank. Don't get me started. Next up, YouTube videos. Here's how it works. I shot and uploaded videos on YouTube and other video sites with keyword-specific product reviews. I was religiously uploading one video a day for 8 weeks straight. I would then take the videos I uploaded on YouTube and put them up on other video sites like Vimeo and Dailymotion using a software called Traffic Geyser that was costing me $197 per month. But turned out having more videos did not necessarily mean more sales because my video view count was pathetic. Plus, it became very time-consuming and expensive to upload these videos on the internet because each video took me at least an hour to shoot because I needed several takes to deliver the message without editing. Then you had to render the video, and all that required powerful graphic processing I simply didn't have. Plus, at the time we didn't have smartphones, so I had to borrow a camera from a friend each time I shot a new video. Anyway, it was a mess. There were a few more things I tried, like launch snapping and such, but I won't bore you with the details. Just know they didn't work as advertised by the people whose courses I purchased. So you're wondering, Igor, what worked? And that's a great question, and I'll get to it in just a second. I'll tell you where the first real affiliate check came from, and I'll show you how I proved my dad wrong and even turned him into